Hello, my name is Allison Clift Jennings. I'm the CEO of a company called Filament, and I'm a mentor of the next company you're about to meet. For many, insurance is a second thought to those who lead active, adventurous lifestyles. And I'm part of that group. 2 months ago, while I was riding my motorcycle, I was hit by a drunk driver. I spent time in the ICU, in a wheelchair after that, and learned intimately exactly how essential it is to have the proper insurance for my particular active lifestyle. As a Techstars alumna scaling her own startup, I'm very excited to introduce to you this next company. I've watched this team move, this very talented team move through mentor madness and into establishing underwriting for what they're doing, into new markets, up to today, where you're going to see firsthand how Buddy is changing the way all of us are insured who lead active and outdoor lifestyles. So please welcome Charles Merritt from Buddy.
Like that, on a mission, so follow back, let them know that you're too much in this little bit. Get Dutch. Get Dutch this.
Like me, 142 million Americans participate in outdoor activities every single year. And for many, there's a growing hidden risk of real financial hardship in the event of an accident. We love to hit the trails, the surf, and the slopes, but if you're like my friend Matt, sometimes the slopes hit back. When Matt's bicep was torn during a skiing accident, he found himself stuck with a hefty bill. Even with health insurance, Matt still owed over $6,000 out of pocket to cover his deductibles, his copays, and his outpatient surgery. Now, when you add on the cost of an ambulance ride, drugs, physical therapy, travel changes, damaged gear, childcare, and your time, suddenly an accident can turn a day of ski jumps into a gear dump for some quick cash to pay the bills. And as those bills come in, do you really know that your health insurance is enough coverage? If you're like most of us, the answer is a resounding maybe? And then you're upset. Not only was your awesome outdoor experience ruined because you got hurt, but every single bill that comes in makes you less likely to get back out there. And that's bad for you. And it's bad for a whole outdoor industry, which is an industry that employs 7.6 million people in the US who rely on the 142 million Americans like me to get out there and have a good time. I'm Charles Merritt, the CEO of Buddy. Our team knows all about having a good time, pursuing our outdoor passions, and we're a talented group professionally. We've sold 2 companies, published multiple books and scholarly articles on computer programming and data science. We've won 12 gold lions at Cannes and been named to Forbes 30 Under 30 for marketing and advertising. And to address the growing problem of the cost of outdoor accidents, Buddy has created the first episodic accident insurance product. Our coverage is distributed via Partner API, which integrates Buddy's episodic accident insurance with anything fun. Whether you're buying a lift ticket or signing up for an off-road triathlon, you can just check the box and get covered. Buddy will issue a policy electronically, instantly. Buddy also powers our own e-commerce site. It takes just 30 seconds to get a quote and another 90 to complete the checkout. Finally, Buddy has built our own conversational commerce engine to integrate interactions into the messaging systems where our customers already are, like Facebook Messenger. You can buy as little as a day of coverage or as much as a year to protect yourself, your family, or just the kids for adventures of any size. For $50,000 of coverage for a day, you'll pay just about as much as this spicy burrito. Or that's $9.72 for an individual daily policy. Or for a whole year of fun, an annual policy is just $50 a month. Now, we're already seeing unique customer insights from our distribution channels and unified data set. For example, 22% of people who have talked with our bot have asked for some kind of coverage for their gear in addition to our accident coverage. And when we've surveyed our target outdoor customers, we found that 70% of them are interested in some kind of accident insurance other than just a traditional annual policy. Now, that's a $6 billion market opportunity that Buddy is uniquely positioned to capture, and we're already well on our way. Our partner pipeline gives us access to over 15 million outdoor enthusiasts through signed agreements with one of the U.S. Olympic Committee sport associations, with Xterra Off-Road Triathlon Series, and with the Sports Engine, which is NBC's sports booking platform. And we're also in discussion with our friends at Metlife about integrating Buddy's episodic accident coverage with some of their auto and home products. Now, I am really excited about this. I am announcing that today, as of this afternoon, Buddy is live and we have sold our first policies in Arizona. That is our first step toward a 50-state rollout. Now, because the costs of healthcare and accidents show no sign of decreasing anytime soon, I believe that Buddy's mission to protect outdoor enthusiasts when it matters most can help this generation and the next be a bit more fearless. So, if you're interested in being a bit more fearless about the returns of investing in an active outdoor lifestyle, you can come find me this evening. After all, every adventure needs a buddy.